Photoshop is one of the most popular tools when it comes to image manipulation, and it's part of the Adobe Creative Suite of programs. However, with such a powerful tool at hand, it's natural that beginners can get confused doing some basic things. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video, we're talking about how you can remove background from your photos in Photoshop. So the first step is of course opening up the image in Photoshop. As you can see, I have an image of myself here in which I am the subject. You can choose the subject using a variety of selection tools like the lasso tool, the polygon tool, or in this case, to make matters simple, I'm just going to use the object selection tool. Select the tool and you can just click on the object, or you can just draw a bounding box around whatever it is that you want to select. Give Photoshop some time and you'll have your object selected. Now click on the select and mask button in the top right corner. Set the transparency slider to 100. Go down, increase the radius by 1 or 2 pixels. Add a little bit of smoothing and some feather. And you're good to go. Just click OK. And now you'll see the background has come back. In order to remove it, we're going to create a layer mask. So just click the layer mask button under here and you have removed the background of your image. In order to save it like this, we're going to save it as a PNG. So I'm going to export and just select quick export as PNG to export the image without a background. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon and tell us in the comments below if we can do more such content for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.